Find rooftop cargo carriers for Nissan Pathfinder with our advice on topcargobox.com. Finding the right rooftop cargo carrier for your Nissan Pathfinder can greatly enhance your travel experience and provide you with additional storage space. There are several factors to consider when searching for the perfect rooftop cargo carrier, such as size, weight capacity, ease of installation, and overall durability. To begin your search, it is important to determine the specific needs and requirements for your Nissan Pathfinder. Consider the size and capacity of the cargo carrier based on the amount of luggage or equipment you typically need to transport. Additionally, take into account the weight capacity of the carrier to ensure it can accommodate your belongings without exceeding your vehicle's limitations. Once you have determined your specific needs, it is time to explore the available options. Conduct thorough research to find reputable retailers or manufacturers that offer rooftop cargo carriers compatible with the Nissan Pathfinder. Take note of customer reviews and ratings to get a better understanding of the product's quality and performance. When considering rooftop cargo carriers, it is essential to prioritize ease of installation. Look for carriers that come with clear and detailed instructions, as well as necessary mounting hardware. Seek carriers that have user-friendly features, such as quick-release straps or an efficient locking system, to ensure hassle-free installation and removal. Durability is another crucial aspect to consider when choosing a rooftop cargo carrier for your Nissan Pathfinder. Opt for carriers made of high-quality materials, such as durable plastics or robust metals, to withstand various weather conditions and prolonged use. It is also beneficial to choose carriers with reinforced and waterproof design features to protect your belongings from moisture and other external elements. In conclusion, finding the ideal rooftop cargo carrier for your Nissan Pathfinder requires careful consideration of factors such as size, weight capacity, ease of installation, and durability. By conducting thorough research and exploring reputable retailers or manufacturers, you can ensure that your chosen cargo carrier meets your specific needs and enhances your travel experience.